Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So glad to be back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I make that's in my fridge. I know that most people can relate to wanting to make something but not having a lot of groceries in the house, so you just try to, whip up anything you have. So that's what this video is. Let's hop right into it. So the first thing I made were these black bean and egg tostadas. So I'm cracking 2 eggs. And I'm adding some Peruvian seasoning. It has salt, pepper, and garlic powder, all that stuff. A little bit of black pepper. And I'm just cooking this on the skillet. I'm heating up some black beans. I'll leave the link up above. These are from a previous video if you want to see how I made them. And I'm heating up some corn tortillas. Okay, just look at these and how amazing these look. Seriously guys, I did the best I could to come up with some creative recipes. That is good. It is. Now I'll eat one like this. Next, I made an Asian style garlic tofu. For the marinade, I'm adding some tamari, hoisin sauce, agave, sriracha, garlic, cornstarch, and some rice vinegar. I'm chopping up 1 block of tofu into cubes, and I put it in a ziplock bag with some cornstarch, salt, and pepper, and just shook it up a bit. Make sure it was all coated. Now I'm pan frying it on both sides. Now I'm pouring the marinade over it, adding some green onions. And there you have it. And I ended up eating this with some rice and broccoli. Next, I made some sweet potato pancakes. So I'm making a vegan buttermilk by adding some non-dairy milk and vinegar into a cup. So I cooked 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes in the air fryer. And now I'm just scooping out the flesh and adding the buttermilk into a bowl, some eggs, and vanilla extract. Ended up putting this inside of a blender just to get rid of all those sweet potato lumps. For the dry ingredients, I'm adding some gluten-free flour, some baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, and pumpkin pie spice. Pouring the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients. And I ended up adding about 1.5 cups of the buttermilk. But if you want it to be a thinner batter, then just add it all. But this consistency was good for me. And I'm just cooking it in some coconut oil, about 2 minutes on each side. Topping it with some walnuts and some syrup. These pancakes were absolutely delicious. This next dessert is absolutely delicious. I made a banana chocolate tortilla pizza crepe type thing, and it was so good. So I'm slicing up a banana, and I added about half a teaspoon of butter into a skillet. Now I'm just heating up the banana. I sprinkled on some cinnamon. I just let it cook for about 40 seconds to 60 seconds, just until it was warm, not too much. Now I'm adding a whole wheat tortilla onto a skillet until it's crispy. And for the chocolate sauce, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of agave. You can also use any liquid sweetener. I'm adding about a half teaspoon of almond butter onto the tortilla, the bananas, and the chocolate sauce. This will be a dessert that I will be eating often because it was so good. You guys have to try it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other future videos you would like me to create for you. And I will see you next time. Bye!